So in this video I'm going to talk a bit about using the Arch user repository and installing software from the Arch user repository. So there are software packages that won't be in the official Arch repository, but we don't always have to build these ourselves. There are binaries that people will upload which we can use, which saves us a lot of time. If you don't want to build your own binaries, I'm not saying you shouldn't. You probably should, but if you don't know how to do that, or you're not keen on doing it, you just want to quickly grab a binary for a package, then the Arch user repository, is a good place to do that. So there is no support for the Arch user repository from pacman itself out of the box. So what we would usually do is install a wrapper for pacman. And that's what yay is. So I'm going to use this both as an example of how to manually install AUR programs, and then how to use a pacman wrapper. So you'll see here, this is the git clone URL. This is where the file is that we want. So we're going to copy that link. And you now need to copy that, clone that repository using git. So I'm in my repos folder right now. We're going to type git clone and then paste that link. So that's cloned it nice and quick. We go into that directory and we'll see there's a package build file. So what we do here is we run the command make package, spelt make pkj space si. And this is going to install the package for us. So we run that. And it might take a bit of time. It needs to download all the files from the repository. Yeah, see, it's downloading files now that it requires. And it's going to sort everything out for you and basically just return to pacman to actually install the file. So it says here, finish making, installing package yay with pacman -u, which is what we want. Type the password. Do you want to proceed with installation? I'm going to say yes. And that's it, yay is installed. So as an example of how to use yay, I'm going to install polybar, which is the same bar that I'm using here from a notifications from a i3 config. So to do that, we're going to say yay -s polybar. And here it finds polybar. It's going to reinstall because I do actually have polybar installed. If we go here to the packages, yeah, here we go. Polybar, which is in the Arch user repository rather than the regular repository. So we're going to say yes. It's reinstalled it because I already have it installed, but that's what you would do if you had any other packages. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you now understand how you can use the Arch user repository to get your hands on binaries that otherwise you would have had to compile yourself. Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any other questions.